And the latest that we are picking up is that Home Secretary has written to states for focusing on improving the vaccination rate. As the situation is dynamic, a close watch needs to be kept on early signs of a surge in active cases or high positivity rates. To give more details on this, I'm now being joined by my colleague Ayushman Kumar. Ayushman, good afternoon. First of all, yes, very important and crucial advisory by the centre to all the states and UTs, but the bigger question still remains whether the states have enough vaccines to do so.
Well, Gauri, if you look at this situation right now, the centre has said that not just vaccination, vaccination is very, very important and the pacing needs to be increased, but at the same time, micromanagement of cases should also be monitored in small places. Even if the cases are increasing, the containment strategy should be taken up. Vaccination is something that is very, very important, and like you pointed out, it is important to highlight here that from 21st of this month, we will be seeing the central supply of about 75% going to the states. We are expecting, the states are also expecting the situation to improve. But for now, the centre has said that vaccination should increase. That is the prime criteria to fight the pandemic. But the micromanagement of cases should also be there, because in places, in small places, if the positivity rate rises, the containment strategies must be re-looked upon and should be re-implemented if the positivity rate of that area or particular district increases in the coming time.
Right. Thank you, Ayushman, for joining us and giving us all those details.